Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have another beautiful gel polish collection from Modelones. It's their temperature set and it's literally temperatures. That's the names of the polishes. So they always come with this little sort of like how-to card, and you've got directions on how to use these gel polishes. So again, absolutely love the packaging, love the wooden tops. You do get to have the sort of names or numbers in this case on the sides of the bottle. So which sort of temperature are you drawn to? Are you wanting the cooler temperature or the bit of a hotter temperature? I'd say this is probably like my okay temperature. I don't like it ridiculously hot, but I definitely don't like it cold. So yeah, about 80 degrees Fahrenheit is perfect for me. But what's your perfect temperature? So this is below 10 degrees and it is a gorgeous sort of like bluey lilac-y shade. Then getting a little bit warmer at 20 degrees, you've got this sort of like a deeper shade of blue, which is very, very nice. Again, always on the increase, you've got 40 degrees, which is again is another blue. So it's actually lighter than the previous blue, so it's like I'd say it's like a sky blue. Then you've got this one, which is 50 degrees and it's a gorgeous sort of like minty green, perfect for spring green colour. 60 degrees is obviously gorgeous. It's going to be yellow like the sun, so it's a bit of a lighter yellow. I did expect it to be a little bit more darker, but I do actually really like it. Again, perfect colour for spring. So hotting up now is this beautiful orange shade. It's obviously really nice and deep and perfect for summer. And then the last one is 100 degrees, which I would be baking in. But it's a gorgeous shade of red, which you can use any time of year really. Red's such a classy colour. It's like a little timeless polish. Because these polishes are really good quality, you only need to apply nice thin coats. Obviously make sure it's nice and even to, you know, avoid sort of patches, and that's what it is like after one coat. So it's a little bit patchy at the top, but that's no doubt probably down to my application method. And this is it, just two coats, and it's fully opaque in that, and I've top coated it as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of these swatches, is showing you how I apply the first coat, and then the next sort of shot you see is it being top, like however many coats it is, and top coated. So I have reviewed quite a few collections from Modelones now, as I really do love them. I have got a playlist, so if you want to check out any other collections that they've got, it may be your perfect collection that you don't know about, then I can leave a link to that. It'll either be in an iCard or it'll be at the, you know, the video that you add on at the end of, you know, the end credits. So I know obviously there's quite a lot of different shades of like blues with this, but I love blue anyway, and it's nice having the different shades. I think this is my favorite shade of green. I just love it. Green's a funny one. I don't mind like lighter greens, but when it gets a bit darker, no, it's not for me. But that's because I like my brighter colours. I suppose that's what I'm drawn to. But that's what's so fabulous about nail art, that it will cater for all sorts of preferences. And again, yellow is another funny one. It's got to be the right shade. Like this one is nice and bright. It's a happy yellow. That's what it makes me feel like. So yeah, so I think pretty much all of these were two coats and absolutely fine and opaque. And obviously this has been put over like a natural false tip as well, so it's kind of like as close as you're going to get to your own nail, if that makes any sense. So if you're completely new to sort of nail art or working with gels, I can leave a more detailed video. Again, it'll probably be in an iCard at the top of the screen, just to take you through the steps of obviously prepping your nail properly for a gel manicure, and going through all of the steps as opposed to just cutting it, just because I don't want this video being too long. So that is all of them swatched. So here they are next to the bottles. I think this is a really beautiful collection. The colours are right up my street. They're every colour that I like. And the fact that it's 2 coats and fully opaque is just awesome. So I'm always happy with Modelones gel polishes. I think the colours they use are fantastic, and the quality of the polishes are gorgeous as well. So I'm going to do a design for you now using these polishes. So I'm going to sort of try and blend these colours. It's not going to be a perfect blend as I haven't quite mastered that, but I am going to use a fan brush and kind of like mix them together in the middle, and you kind of got a bit of a sort of squiggly like drag marble look. So obviously once you've done that and happy with how it's blended, then you want to go ahead and cure that in your lamp. So these are the other colours that I have done, and I think they look really nice together. So I thought it'd be really sort of like apt to use like a seasoned plate, and this is a Moyou one. It's quite an old plate, but it's still got really cute images on it. So I am going for, obviously the first nail is going to be spring, then I'm moving on to summer. So I am keeping this simple in that I'm just stamping black, using black polish with all of these images, but I just think it makes the sort of design itself pop, and it goes really nice against those sort of gradient bases. So I'd love to know your thoughts on this design and also on this collection. Have you purchased it yet, or will you be purchasing it? I love it. Like I say, it's right up my street with the colours. I know not everybody is a fan of these sort of like lighter, girlier colours, but yeah, but for me it's just perfect. So this is the last image, which is obviously the winter scene, which is my least favourite season, as I cannot stand to be cold. And there you go, that is how they look together. I think it's a super cute mani. I would love to know your thoughts on it, and also, like I say, on the collection as well. So please use the links provided in the description box below, and make sure you benefit from my 10% discount code as well, which has been on screen and it will be in the description box. So thank you so much for watching, Jelly Babes. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.